Hi everyone, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to make this giant heart cookie for Valentine's Day, and I really like the idea of this. It's basically a broken heart, like you get those charms like those BFF necklaces where there's two hearts. I've made an I love you version for Valentine's Day. I'm so excited to share this recipe with you. So make sure your oven is preheated to 180 degrees before you start, and add 60 grams of softened butter into your bowl. Make sure it is soft and then whisk this together till it is creamy and fluffy. Then add 55 grams of brown sugar and 40 grams of caster sugar into your bowl, and with a splash of vanilla as well that I forgot to add into the video, cream this together till you get a smooth paste like you can see in the video as well. You can see I've used a whisk and then I've gone to using a spatula because it's easier to combine. Then add 100 grams of plain flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of corn flour or cornstarch. I'm also adding around 1 tablespoon or a splash of plant-based milk to help the dough come together. Now the good thing about this dough is you can put it in the freezer and use it whenever you want after defrosting, or you can bake it how the dough is, so no resting time, and that makes sure that these cookies are ready in under half an hour after they've cooled as well. So once you've formed your dough, we're going to shape it into a heart. So you can make 2 medium-sized hearts out of this dough like you can see in the video. I placed some of the dough together and then pressed it down to form a heart shape. I've just used my hands, but you can cut out a template and then use a knife and carve that into your dough if you'd like a more accurate heart. Then add in any red small things like Smarties or Skittles or M&Ms of your choice, and then add these into your cookie dough. If you don't have anything, you could just always use normal chocolate chips, and bake this for 10 to 12 minutes. You don't want it really crunchy, you still want it to be slightly soft, well quite soft when you take it out, and harden as you can see once it's done. Then use a knife and gently cut a cracked shape in the middle like you can see here, and be quite gentle with your knife because you don't want to snap your cookie in the wrong way. Neaten up your edges, and now you can see you have a nice looking cookie which has a crack down the middle, and now it's time to decorate. So I've just used vanilla buttercream. I've added this into a piping bag and I'm piping a border around the cookie to make it look nice, and once I've done that, I'm going to top it off with some sprinkles and also write a message in the middle as well. The message can be anything of your choice related to Valentine's Day. You can write BFF, I love you, or I don't know, whatever you like. So I'm doing I love you because it is really simple, just 3 letters. Well, the middle one is a heart, and you can see how I've done the heart here. Don't worry if some of your writing goes on top of the crack because that is the whole point of it. And yeah, once it's kind of set, you'll be able to pull them both apart and the buttercream shouldn't really get messed up. I'm finishing off with these tiny cute sprinkles which are small hearts, which I'm obsessed with, so I'm using them in most of my Valentine's Day theme videos this year. And that's it, your heart-shaped giant cookie is ready. I'd suggest these are perfect to wrap in small bags and give to your friend and keep one for yourself, and then you can put them together and they look super cute and they taste really delicious as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know if you try it out in the comments and stay tuned for more videos.